Hello friends, Fabiano here with Venezia Marble. Want to show it to you guys this kitchen that we pretty much almost all done, just into the little details. So this kitchen we did with a quartzite. So we did an island, also the full backsplash. The island we did there with a waterfall into it. You can see that goes all the way down. Our job is very customized, so as you can see in this kitchen there's a lot of details that I'll show it to you guys. So just follow me. So in here, there's a little detail that we're gonna do. We're gonna drill a hole. This is for the plug. So we'll do 2 of those. I'll show it to you guys when it's all done. Also, at a full backsplash, as our job being very custom, this client decided to put a faucet into on the top of the stove. Being custom and less possibility, you can do whatever you like it. So let me show you guys this. The sink also. I've been doing this for a while. I've never seen a sink this big, and you could put plastic into it. So as you guys see, so we do got a couple faucet into it, and also the full backsplash. I hope you guys can see the details. Also, we have the paint trick in here with the full backsplash. As you can see, also all the details on the vein. The tiles for the outlet. So we just finished up a couple little details into it. So here's a cutout for the outlet. You could also see the details of the veins follow into it. Let me show it to you guys also the fireplace from this house. So something a little more custom. And what we done into this, we mitered this to do like a box into it. We got a couple of details to do it, but you guys can see how it's gonna look. Get some pretty good ideas. Look through it, this. So you guys were able to see it. We mitered this. We built this to be a little box to give a little 3D look into it. Also, we try to follow all the veins the best that we can, being the job customized, and that's something that us in Venezia we prioritize to have the job with excellence. So as you guys can see in this job. Appreciate it. If you guys have any question or anything, please don't hesitate.